Hey guys, this is Sylvia with the Salsa with Sylvia Trick of the Week, and Mr. Super Mario is here again. We are going to do a beginner level 2 lesson today, Salsa on 1. So the first move that we're doing, we're gonna make it a little fancier for the lead this time. So we're going to do a back-to-back turn. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1. All right, so for this move, the lead has to turn the other direction and face away from his partner. So the way he does this, he steps to the side on 5, 6, 7. So Mario, show the footwork. 5, 6, 7, and 1.
1, 2, 3. Prepare. 5, 6, 7. And then 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. When you dance with partner, I recommend you in your number 1 after you turn, dance in your spot. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Because if you go in front, maybe you separate of your partner. So it's much better here. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, and then basic.
Yes. So he's doing a prep step. I think you should do it facing away from the camera so they can see it. All right, here we go. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay? When you do this turn behind your back, make sure you try to extend as much as you can behind your back to show that you're turning. And ladies or followers, it's nothing complicated for us. It's basically 2 basics and then a right turn. That's all there is to it. Again, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Okay, so as Mario was showing you, you're actually switching hands before you start the step. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3.
You prepare. 1, 2, 3, and then 5, 6, 7. Remembering your spot, and then lead the turn for follower and turn together.
A little tip for the ladies, if you want to style it up and you don't want to just be doing a basic behind his back, you could do a little body or booty roll rather. Let's do the step from the top so they can. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, and 1. All right. For the second move, we're just going to do a double hand right turn and then a hand flick. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. He goes to his left and tosses the hand. All right, again. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Right turn. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. So the toss happens on 3 between 3 and 5. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1.
It's very important when you do the turn, don't let it go the hands, but put a little more down this arm, because that helps for this movement in the number 1. When you go forward is when you pull this arm, and then with the other, draw a circle and toss the arm. And followers,
don't be resistant to that. There's a lot of hand tosses and hand flicks in salsa. So when you feel like he wants to take your hand somewhere or he wants your hand to go somewhere, don't resist. Don't be like, don't, just go with it. 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1. Just make sure there's no one next to you. You don't want to slap someone. Okay, and the last move is a little dip. Very important. You got to know your dips. Now, there's a lot of technique in a dip, so don't try this at home. Just kidding. You have to try it, but you have to know the technique so you can do it right and don't hurt yourself or your partner. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. 1. Okay, so let's talk about what's important in a dip. The footwork is nothing complicated. The first thing you have to do is bring her in. 1, 2, 3. Okay? Now, what you have to make sure is that his hand is on her back to support her back, and his right hand is on her shoulder to support her back. Because when she's going down, basically he's holding me, but he's not holding my entire weight. So followers, what you have to be aware of is that you have to try to support your own weight. If you drop entirely, he's going to drop you, no matter how light you are. When you drop with your entire weight, you're going to drop on the floor. So make sure you're, first of all, you could do it different ways, but for this simple dip, I'm going to use the support of my right leg and then just extend my left leg. Go down. So most of my weight is on my right leg. Even though it doesn't look like that, I'm holding my own weight. So please be aware of that. All right, so let's put it all together, see what it looks like without music and then with music. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3. 5, 6. Double hand turn. 5, 6, 7. And toss. 5, 6, 7. Dip. 5, 7. And 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. All right, let's do it with music. 5, 6, 7, and 1. 5, 6, 7. Change the hands. 5, 1, 5, 6, 7. 1. Double hand turn with a hand toss. One more time. 6, 7, 1, 5, 6, 7, 1, 5, 6, 7, 1, 5. That was it for today. I hope you enjoyed this pattern, and we'll see you again in the next trick of the week. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you react, comment, and share. And also, make sure you turn on your notifications so that you can be the first one to get notified when we post new content. Remember to go on our website, www.salsawithsylvia.com. That's where we post our classes, our workshops, and a lot of other good stuff. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.